Hello everyone, and welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we are going to prepare some delicious chocolate chip cookies, a classic that cannot be missing from your recipe repertoire. And remember, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Alright, now let's get started. Here are the ingredients we are going to need. And don't worry about writing them down, we've included them in the video description. 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. We begin by beating the butter together with the sugars until we obtain a creamy mixture. Then we add the eggs one by one, and finally the vanilla. In a separate bowl, sift the flour, baking soda, and salt. We integrate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, and when everything is well mixed, we add the chocolate chips. With the dough ready, we form balls the size of a walnut and place them on a baking tray, leaving space between each one. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden on the edges, but still soft in the center. And here you have it, some irresistible chocolate chip cookies. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Perfect to accompany with a glass of milk. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. Until next time in Cookinglandia. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit Cookinglandia.com.